Good morning, my friends. Hope you are doing well. Today, we have come with a new problem IIT joint entrance maths question. We have to find out the trigonometric relation. Sorry. If n equals to 1 by sine 60 degree into sine 61 degree plus 1 by sine 62 degree into sine 63 degree plus dot up to 1 by sine 118 degree into sine 119 degree, then we have to find out the value of cosec 1 degree by n whole square equals to what? Let us now come to the solution directly. Now, writing the given problem once again, we write n equals to 1 by sine 60 degree sine 61 degree plus 1 by sine 62 degree into sine 63 degree plus dot up to 1 by 1 upon sine 118 degree into 119 degree. Now look at here, if we subtract 61 degree from 60 degree, we get 1 degree. So we write out, we will taking 1 by sine 1 degree common, and then within the bracket we will write sine 61 degree minus 60 degree, sine of 61 degree minus 60 degree by the denominator sine 60 degree into sine 61 degree. In the next term, we also write in the same way exactly, taking 1 by sine 1 degree common and writing sine 63 degree minus 62 degree by sine 62 degree sine 63 degree plus dot. In the last term, we write in the same manner 1 upon sine 1 degree into sine 119 degree minus 118 degree by sine 118 degree minus 119 degree. Then we'll try to write down the formula of sine A minus B and hopefully get sine A sine 61 degree cos 60 degree minus sine 60 degree cos 61 degree. And this, the formula of sine of A minus B, we write in the same way. We write the formula for this one and get this at this, and plus dot in the last term we get this one as this. And therefore in the next step we divide the denominator and separate the whole fraction into two different parts. One is sine 61 degree cos 60 degree by sine 60 degree into sine 61 degree, another is minus sine 60 degree cos 61 degree sine 60 degree into sine 61 degree. And we follow this method in these other terms too, and we get this one and then get this one, and finally for the last term we get this one. And now carefully we get that we can cancel from here sine 61 degree, the sine 61 degree, and leaving cos 60 degree by sine 60 degree, which will be cot 60 degree. In this team we also get sine 60 degree cancel with sine 60 degree, we get cot 61 degree. In the similar way, so from the first term we get cot 60 degree minus cot 61 degree. For the next term, cot 60 degree minus cot 60 degree plus and so on, and the last term is will be cancelling sine 119 degree sine 119 degree, we get cos 118 degree by sine 118 degree, that means cot 118 degree minus cancelling sine 118 degree sine 118 we get cot 119 degree. And this is the most vital part of the given solution. Look at here, can we cancel cot 119 degree with cot 61 degree? Yes, of course, because since cot 119 degree equal to cot 180 degree minus 61 degree equal to minus cot 61 degree. So we can cancel cot 119 degree with the cot 61 degree. Similarly, cot 118 degree equals to cot 180 degree minus 62 degree equal to minus cot 62 degree. So it will be cancelled with this one. So following this method, we will see that all the terms will cancel, leaving only the first one cot 60 degree. So we can write all the terms will cancel. All the terms it will cancel by the before term. The term comes before this will be cancelled out with this one. So finally we can write, leaving the term, implies that n will be 1 by sine 1 degree into only cot 60 degree. Remaining terms will be cancelled from one each other. So then what we get, come to the line. So from what we get, n equals to 1 by sine 1 degree into the value of cot 60 equals to 1 by root 3, I think so. So then we get 1 by sine, or n equals to cosec 1 degree into 1 by root 3, implies that cosec 1 degree, by dividing this in this way, we get n equals to root 3, or cosec 1 degree by n whole square equal to root 3 whole square equal to 3. So we finally get what we get. Cosec 1 degree by n whole to the power whole square equal to 3. That is the answer. Thank you.